Hi friends, do you want to learn how to check Qatar visa online easily? If your answer is yes, then keep watching this video. You can learn with in 1 minute. Let's go. Please open Google homepage in any browser, in your PC, laptop, or in any mobile. Then search Qatar visa check. Enter. You can see many links for inquiry the visa. Click on first link. Here you can use two options for the visa inquiry: by visa number, by passport number. What I am checking by passport number. Choose nationality of passport. Enter verification code. Submit. Visa information has opened. Visa number, name, nationality, passport number. You can print here, and you can save this visa if you want to send email. You can see this trick step by step in description of video. I have put direct link there also for save your time. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.